Can I clean my furnace burners? Yes, you can clean furnace burners carefully, but only if you turn off the power and gas first and you are comfortable doing basic home maintenance. Furnace burners are the parts that mix gas and air so the flame can heat your home, and over time they can get dusty, rusty, or blocked. If they are dirty, the furnace may make weak flames, have trouble heating, or shut off more often than it should. A lot of people do not know that even a small amount of dust or spider webs can change the flame shape and make the burner work badly. The flame should usually look steady and blue, not lazy, yellow, or dancing a lot. Before touching anything, turn off the furnace power at the switch and shut off the gas if your system has a manual shutoff. After that, remove the burner cover if your model allows it, then use a soft brush, a vacuum with a small attachment, or compressed air to clear loose dirt. Do not scrape hard metal parts with sharp tools because that can damage the burner openings and make the problem worse. If you see heavy rust, cracks, soot buildup, or a smell of gas, stop and call a trained technician right away. One common mistake is cleaning the burners without fully shutting off the power and gas, which can be dangerous, so always double-check both before you start. Another mistake is using water, soap, or rough brushes, because those can damage parts or leave moisture where it does not belong, so stick to dry, gentle cleaning. People also miss the fact that dirty burners can be a sign of a bigger issue, like poor airflow, a dirty filter, or a gas problem, so if the burners get dirty again fast, that needs attention too. If the flame still looks uneven after cleaning, do not keep guessing, because that usually means the furnace needs a proper service check. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.